Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today I'd like to share a old build with you. This here is a American Lafrance custom pumper. I built this kit in 1995 and I purchased it in like 1986 or 87, I don't remember, and I didn't get around to building it until 95. The American Lafrance custom pumper was originally released by AMT back in 1991, and it's gone through a few iterations. In the mid 80s they came out with a new box, and then in 1986 it came out with new decals, and kind of lost my train of thought. Anyway, this is the old build, and thought I'd share it with you. There we go. It's been in this case since 1995 or 96. I never did put the decals on it. I went through my instructions and that and found this is the decal sheet that came with it. Apparently I used something for something, but I don't know what it was for. And it came with City of Troy. Now, as the hobby has progressed, I'm going to try and find some decals to make it a local unit. But I was real happy with this one. I enjoyed the heck out of building it. I still remember when I built it, which is pretty cool. Basic decals here. And I found the instructions. It was 3 pages of separate instructions, which I thought was really cool. They don't have the actual date on it, but I don't even find a kit number on this particular one. All I have is, oh, here it is right here. It was stock number 6669. It was a lot of fun to build. I took my time with it back in the day. I'm real happy with the results, and there's actually still a few pieces that I haven't glued on, but I had them ready to go, mainly because I was worried about moving and that kind of stuff, and I didn't want to put anything on there so that it would get broken off. There's a little axe in there. I thought that was always cool, one of them fireman's axes. But yeah, I really enjoyed the heck out of this one, and thought I'd make a quick video for you guys just to show it off, let you guys see it. I thought it was cool. You know, this was like one of the my favorite parts of the build was detailing this gauge package out here, whatever this is called, the control panel or whatever. Pretty neat. I can't show you the bottom, unfortunately, because it's wired down to the base. Must be something in the weather today, in the air. My camera keeps dying out on me, sorry. But as I was saying, the unit is wired down to the base, and it's been there since the mid-90s. And I literally just uncovered it, like I said, for the first time in 30 plus years, or almost 30 years. I built it in May of 1995. I remember that specifically. So anyway, that's the American Lafrance custom pumper, as it's known. It was a fun build. I don't have a whole lot of other stuff to say about it, because I remember specifically focusing on this thing, and it consumed a lot of my time back in the day. But then I got it done. It was a very rewarding, you know, back then. It was very cool. I think the ladders moved up and down, and that was a neat little feature. The details on the interior weren't anything special. I figured it was going to be covered up so much that it wasn't really worth the effort to do anything in there. It's just black with a couple of gauges picked out with some paints. Little jump seats in the back. Those are always neat. So that's it, guys. Just a quick one for you today. I thought I'd share that with you. I hope you enjoyed the previous video. If not, please be sure to go back and check that out. And that's about it. That's all I've got to say about this one. I hope you have a great day. I thank you all for your time. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.